right, so tell me about this calming area.
Well, we have a dragon brain, and the pictures of him and how he calms himself down. We have pictures of different emotions. But I don't normally tell the children what the words say because they see the face differently than I might see it or what it says. So that's been a very interesting experience. We have made candles to blow out and flowers to smell in here, and they all took a set home. Every once in a while, I add more perfume to them.
So we are inspired by one of our other previous makeovers, Marsha Ritter. She had an emotional support area, and we decided to create one here. We put up some visuals here that have different emotions on them. These are great for children to have other words and pictures to express how they're feeling. And we also added some materials to help with that. So one of our favorite strategies is called Dragon Brain. And in that strategy, children take a deep breath by smelling a flower and then blowing out a candle to help calm down. And we have these visuals here, like squeeze a ball or blow some bubbles that help you also calm down. So squeezing the ball can help you get rid of some frustration, and blowing bubbles also helps you take a deep breath. And those are here as well.
Okay, so we kind of did a double-sided cozy area. So right here is a space for privacy. So this is for one child to sit and read if they want to have some time alone.
También tenemos aquí diferentes cosas que puedes usar y, por ejemplo, las emociones, ¿verdad? Y tratar de enseñarle a los niños las diferentes emociones para que ellos puedan entender lo que están sintiendo. Porque a veces a mí me ha pasado que, por ejemplo, es difícil que los niños entiendan la diferencia entre frustración y enojo, ¿verdad? So, también para empezar a usar las palabras y vocabulario.
All right, so you now have a cozy area. It's in a totally different spot.
Yes. And I couldn't figure out how that was gonna look, but it's perfect.
It is.
So what we did is we added a cushion and a big pillow and a couple of stuffies. We wanted to really make sure to get a substantial amount of softness. So, you know, kids often in early learning programs, there's a lot of hardness in the environment, and it's really great for them to have a space where they can really count on being able to relax. A really good rule for the cozy area, you can limit the number of people that can use the cozy area at one time, and you can also teach them that that's a place to play quietly, because that way a child that is needing some extra space can really count on having a place to go whenever they need to.
I came across this breathing tool. I know deep breathing works. I've trained a 2-year-old once to do deep breathing when he was upset. I've watched him do it. I know it can work. So take a breath. One. Take another one. There you go, 2. Now you put number 3 on there as you do your breath.
And then the next
number
one.
4. And your last
And
one.
number 5.
Number 5.
I feel so calm. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's a Zen moment.
It is.